Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel and thank you so much guys for coming back. Today I'll be talking on great remedies to get rid of dandruff. So if you have been having this issue of dandruff every time, every minute, please stay tuned as I tell you some of the remedies that will get rid of dandruff and you'll be free from dandruff. Yes, very free from dandruff. Keep watching. You are welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, I remain Joy Steve, and in this channel I talk about health, fitness, lifestyle, food and recipes. So if you would like to keep enjoying any of the above topics, please go ahead and click the subscribe button below and also turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a video you will be notified. Today I'll be talking on great remedies to get rid of dandruff. Those irritating little white flakes in your hair, can be very unpleasant. Yes, we are going to discuss natural alternatives and lifestyle changes to improve your scalp's health. The first one is garlic. The pungent scent of garlic cloves could make someone to dislike it, but it is certainly something that can be ignored. Garlic is incredibly beneficial as an antifungal natural product, and for centuries the advantages of raw or crushed garlic has mesmerized men. Pound a garlic clove or two, add a little water to it and use it on your scalp to see fast results. For the odor, often add a little honey and ginger to it. The next is aloe vera gel. Apply aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is rich in antioxidants and amino acids, and its moisturizing and anti-inflammatory properties can help to heal damage and irritations on the skin faster. This also has antimicrobial effects, which makes aloe an outstanding natural dandruff remedy. Rub a good amount of pure aloe vera gel in your scalp and allow it to stay for 1 hour. Wash your hair with gentle shampoo and clean your hair thoroughly. Do it twice a week until the symptoms improves. Avoid using aloe vera if you are experiencing symptoms such as rash, scratching, pain, or increased sensitivity to sunlight. Next, use coconut oil remedy. Although there is no much research on the effectiveness of coconut oil to treat dandruff, there is some evidence that it can help with associated skin conditions like atopic dermatitis. Rub 2 tablespoons of the oil onto your scalp and let it be for 5 to 10 minutes before rinsing it off. You can also place a shower cap over your hair and leave the coconut oil to be on your hair overnight. In the morning, rinse the oil with warm water. It is also advisable to buy coconut oil shampoo. Look for pure coconut oil in your nearest grocery store. Next, use baking soda. Baking soda can scrub off dandruff flakes and help fight the fungus that sometimes causes dandruff. Start by making a paste by using 3/4 cup of water and 4 tablespoons of baking soda. Apply it on your scalp and hair and allow it to stay for 3 minutes before rinsing it out. Too often, baking soda can dry your hair and irritate your scalp, so do not do this more than once a week, and quit if you feel discomfort or find your hair being slow and dry. Using a moisturizing conditioner containing a coconut or argan oil can offset some of the harsh effects of baking soda. Next, use a crushed aspirin. Aspirin contains salicylic acid, which occurs naturally in willow tree's bark, so it can help clear oily skin and reduce inflammations. Salicylic acid is common in dandruff treatment. Try crushing 1 to 2 uncoated aspirin tablets and mix them with 1 tablespoon of your shampoo. Use it to wash your hair normally, but leave it on your hair for 2 to 3 minutes before rinsing. You can also buy a salicylic acid shampoo. Stop using it immediately you experienced pain, redness, burning, or allergic reaction symptoms such as scratching and swelling. Apply twice a week for up to 4 weeks or until your symptoms improve. In conclusion, dandruff is a skin disorder that causes itchy, flaky skin. This can influence person's self-esteem and overall quality of life. While few research studies have specially examined the natural effects of dandruff remedies, many have positive anecdotal evidence. Not all home remedies work for all. Anyone with underlying skin disorder like eczema may want to speak to a doctor before trying a new natural remedy. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, and drop your comments at the comment section. Remember to turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a video, you'll be properly notified. Thank you guys, and bye.